Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here with another video, and today I am here to show you guys my initial install on my Miss Cara hair. This hair is something serious. Like, it is like amazing quality for the price, and I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. So a little bit about the hair. I did do a video where I told you guys how Miss Cara Hair reached out to me and they asked me to do a review in exchange for them sending me hair. So I decided to work with them, and I'm super happy that I did, because I've only had kinky curly hair maybe twice, and this is another great experience with it. This hair has given me no problems at all. It's amazing, good quality hair, and it's a pretty good price for the quality that I have. So I did get 3 bundles of 20, 22, and 24, and I got a 20-inch closure. So 24 is my longest length, and I want to say it goes down to my hip. Like, when I stretch it out, it's super long. I feel like it's almost, on me, I feel like it's like a 28, which is almost down to my booty. Just saying. And I actually just co-washed it again today, and I put some curly hair products in it, and it's literally giving me life. Like, I can run my fingers through it. It's super soft. It barely tingles. It barely sheds. And also, another plus on this hair is that the knots bleach so well on the closure. Like, if you look at that, that looks like my scalp. That looks like an actual scalp. Like, you barely see any knots. Like, oh my god, this is the times that I wish I had an HD camera so y'all can see the scalpage that this is giving. Like, you could barely tell that this is a closure. Like, it's just amazing from the closure down to the actual bundles. Like, this is amazing hair. Like, I'm gonna give y'all a little texture shot. Look at that. Oh my god. Like, what? This is bomb. If you guys haven't already, make sure you check out my initial unboxing on this hair. Definitely check out Miss Cara's website, see what they have to offer, look at their prices. They have amazing prices, and so far this hair is pretty good quality. I want to maybe try something different on this, maybe do like a braid out or a twist out and see how it comes out with this texture hair. I'm very interested in seeing how it holds up with that. But yeah, you know, for the year 2019, I'm gonna try some different things with myself, with my looks. Never really go for kinky curly hair. I usually go for like a body wave or a deep wave, or I keep it very safe, but I definitely am feeling the kinkier texture. Like, you guys definitely need to check them out. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.